Okay. So I'm gonna change the headlights on the M340. I got a little helper. I'm gonna change the headlights, the heat exchanger, and the auxiliary rads because the bumper has to come off for all of that. Because the headlights are already messed up. That side's already messed up. I'll show you now. And the other things are upgrades. So this is how it's supposed to look. And you can see the amber light in the corner. And you can see that this one doesn't work. The amber light in the corner doesn't work. The blinker doesn't work either. The CSF upgraded charge cooler. Haven't taken the cover off because I'll do it once it gets on the car. But that's gonna look insane. I'm draining the old one out now. Heat exchanger is out. All that space is ready for the new one. And we're in. And then for the aux rods, I got Mishimoto aux rods. Already got that out, going back in.
Cocas.
Ahora mira. Muy bien, Cata. Gracias. Both aux rads are in. Honestly, that took maybe 10-15 minutes. These were really easy to install. There they are. The headlights out. It's just 3. One right there. And the third one is back here, right there. Old headlights out. New ones coming in now. Headlights that are gonna go in. Holy sh! They look so good. That's hard to see on video. It's hard to see on video, but they look so good.
So I also got some new wheels, and I got them powder coated to try and match the cerium gray that's on a few trim pieces on the M340, like the rear view mirrors and the few pieces on the front bumper. It doesn't really match in certain lightings, it does in others. Regardless, I like the way it looks a lot. And here you can get a good view of the new headlights as well as the new wheels.
Got some goodies for the M340. It's a fuel pump and the flex fuel system. While we're at it, we might as well get rid of this JB4. Let's leave this here. Is off and ready to go to my cousin's M240. And it's a lot cleaner in here now, less wires. The battery disconnected, a few things out of the way, connector disconnected here. That's it, the lines are ready to come out. Now let's just take the lines out, put the new ones in, and new high pressure fuel pump. Alright, here's the fun part. Next target. Unclip this, take that out of there. That line is free to come out. Now it's just worried about this side and then the actual pump itself. So I made just a little bit of a mess, not too bad, but I got it out. They're still leaking. Very softly. That's it. Good to go. Let's cover that up before we get the fuel pump on here again. Doing this very lightly because it has to be put in evenly. I'm basically just going until I feel a little bit of pressure. Yeah, right there. And then going back to the next one. It should be loose every time, and it is. There it is. That's it. That is so light. We're gonna get this high pressure line in. It says I gotta do this backside first. It says do this backside first. That should be good, man. Hopefully that's good. Let's see if it leaks later. That'll be fun. Look, it has a cute little harness that goes into here. I'm gonna take the opportunity to make this a GMW and put the flex fuel analyzer in. I already got that side of the hose in. Now it's just bloop, put the other side in and then the wiring part. After a brief detour, I had to take this panel off, this panel off, this panel off to get to this panel because I dropped an AN fitting down there and I needed it. So after that brief detour, we're back to the GMW flex fuel sensor. BMW sensors in there. Fuel lines all run. Everything's tucked away. Now it's the wiring part. Everything's tucked up. Everything's patched through. It took me like 30 minutes to put the wire through. There it is. Now I just got to connect everything and we're done. I finished installing high pressure fuel pump and the ECA, the flex fuel kit earlier. Now it's time to go get some E. See how the car feels. Already know what time it is now. Oh, I got some candy and some green apple Gatorade. Let's see how she likes to eat. New shoes. I love how they look in the dark. Got them powder coated again. The lights look great. Shoes look great, you know what I'm saying? So now, I should be able to read my ethanol level when I come. Well, I should read it there, but it's not. Check back on that in a little bit. It's reading ethanol. Level. See, I filled with like 1/8 of a tank. Now I guess it's like a 63% ethanol. That's sick. Alright. There we go. Now it's reading. Big brake kit, but holy sh, these are big as hell, bro. Reference, this is the size of my front brakes right now. We'll see how they look after. Look how much space is in between that. Hopefully they fit, man. Things off, you get another comparison shot here. Look how much space there is in the wheel well. I don't know if my wheel is gonna fit. I'm a little scared now. Oh man, so they look insane and they fit. They actually fit really easily. Plenty of space. I was so surprised when I saw that. Love your wheels. They might even fit in 19. That might be kind of close, but they might fit for real. All right. That we're all done with both sides. Just bled it, and oh my God, do they look good! I can't wait to see them with the wheels on. Yeah, those look insane, bro. You're gonna tell me the blue look better than that?
I like the blue, dog. I like
No
the OEM.
way.
I like that blue. I love the blue on the brakes on that car, dog.
I should squeal them. What? Right there, I felt that shit. My blood come forward. That's stopping fast as fuck.
Bro, you could.
So, put on the new wheels, we got the new headlights, the aux racks, the heat exchanger, fuel pump, the ECA, the ethanol content analyzer. Now, let's got its backside up on some ramps for the next project. Like and subscribe to see what that'll be.